Hi everybody, I'm Eydie, and Karen has asked me to do a short little video to introduce myself since we had technical difficulties adding me onto the Facebook Live tonight. So I've been with Traveling Vineyard for about 5 years. A little bit about me, I have been a wine lover for many years. Found Traveling Vineyard about a little over 5 years ago, and most of what I've learned about wine, because other than liking it, I didn't know anything else about wine, has been with my journey with Traveling Vineyard. I also work for a couple of independent promotional companies where I pour and educate people about other wines from other companies and get to taste lots of wines at these festivals and in other retail establishments. So we are going to be featuring a wine, and Karen's going to be working on the healthy snacks that will pair nicely with the wines that I feature. And I'm going to be giving you kind of some tips and tricks about wine and also talking about some of the health benefits of wine. So hopefully you guys will be able to join us. Our first one will be October 22nd, Thursday evening. I am in California, so for me it's 6:30 Pacific time. For those of you in Central, it'll be 8:30. I look forward to seeing you guys there. Bye. Good night.